Boston, and PRX.
Ascension St. Vincent's has opened 2 new emergency rooms in Arlington and on the west side of Jacksonville. Each ER is in a building all its own, but with the same immediate care available. More ER info, including appointments, at getjaxhealthcare.com.
The law offices of Phillips & Hunt proudly support WJCT, personal injury, criminal defense, and family law. Phillips & Hunt, committed to justice. 904-444-4444 or floridajustice.com. BritBox and PBS Passport are now offering the best of all your favorite. Isolation friend.
No, not the Netflix. No. Us. We're WXXJ and HD1, Fonda Vedra Beach, a Cox Media Group station. Listen to us on your computer at x1065.com. Enough with the Netflix. X106.5, Jacksonville's new alternative.